Learn tenses in simple. I slept. I sleep. I will sleep. Will is used in modern English. However, you can use shall. He slept. He sleeps. He will sleep. She slept. She sleeps. She will sleep. It slept. It sleeps. It will sleep. We slept. We sleep. We will sleep. You slept. You sleep. You will sleep. They slept. They sleep. They will sleep. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.